Every product we use and every building we occupy leaves an environmental footprint. That footprint isn't created in one moment or in one place. It builds up over time through materials, energy, transport, use, and disposal. Most of it remains invisible to us. When we talk about sustainability, the real challenge is understanding where the impact actually comes from. Is it the materials, the manufacturing process, or what happens at the end of life? Without the full picture, decisions are often based on assumptions. This is where life cycle assessment, or LCA, comes in. LCA is a science-based method that measures environmental impacts across the entire life cycle of a product or a building. It looks beyond what's visible and captures everything that happens in the background. A life cycle typically begins with the extraction of raw materials, such as minerals, fuels, or agricultural inputs. It continues through manufacturing or construction, transportation, and the use phase. And finally, it considers what happens at the end of life, whether materials are reused, recycled, or disposed of. LCA connects all these stages into one continuous system. The same life cycle approach applies to both products and buildings, even though their lifetimes and impacts can be very different. For products, LCA helps quantify impacts such as carbon emissions, energy use, and resource consumption. It shows which materials or processes contribute the most to the footprint and where improvements will have the greatest effect. Product LCA forms the foundation for product carbon footprints and environmental product declarations. For buildings, LCA goes beyond operational energy use. It captures emissions embedded in materials like concrete, steel, and glass, as well as impacts from construction, maintenance, renovation, and demolition. This enables better design decisions early, when they matter more. By identifying hotspots and comparing alternatives, LCA supports better design, regulatory compliance, and long-term sustainability strategies. Most importantly, it replaces guesswork with data. Life cycle assessments are typically carried out by trained sustainability professionals, using internationally recognized standards and transparent data. For products, results can be independently verified and published as Environmental Product Declarations, or EPDs, ensuring credibility, comparability, and trust. LCA is not just about measuring impact. It's about reducing it by choosing better materials, improving processes, and designing for the future. Life cycle assessment helps us see the full picture, from start to finish, so we can build and create more sustainably.